Hello everyone, welcome to Tech World with Hari. So now what we will discuss about the operating system. So what is operating system? What is operating system? So the meaning of the as per the Wikipedia, an operating system is a software that manages computer hardware and software resources and provides common services for the computer program. So, in simple words, what is an operating system? Operating system is a software that acts as a middleman or a bridge between computer hardware and the computer user. It provides a user interface and controls the computer hardware so that the software can function. Software can a function. Types of operating systems. Desktop operating systems example Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux such as Ubuntu. Server operating systems example Windows Server, Linux distributions like CentOS, Red Hat, Enterprise Linux. Mobile operating systems like Android iOS, Windows Mobile, and iOS for Apple. So embedded operating systems are used in devices like routers, smart TVs, automobiles, home appliances, etc. Guys. So real-time operating systems used in critical systems like media equipment, car ECUs, and aerospace, defense, network firewalls, and home security, etc. Guys. So now you understood about the operating system, right? So I will give you a brief intro about that Linux system through the diagram, guys. So what is OS? What is a OS, guys? So OS is nothing but what is a OS? So OS is nothing but a operating system. So in simple words, guys. So in simple words, so what is a operating system? Operating system is a mediator between user and computer. What is that, guys? Mediator between user and computer. Mediator between user and computer. So I will tell you. So computer knows which language, guys. So this is a for example computer. So computer knows which language and user knows which language. This is the user. So computer knows which language, guys? Binary language. What is that? Binary language. So means binary means zeros and ones. What is that? Binary means zeros and ones. User knows which level language wise? High level language. High level means, for example, English language. For example, English language. So user knows only English language, high level language, and computer knows only binary language. So they are able to communicate with each other. Is it So is there any possibility to communicate with each other? No. So there is no possibility to communicate with each other. So that's the reason we need a mediator which knows both the languages. We need a which knows both the languages. OS knows both the languages, like binary and high level language. High level language. So how it will translate, for example, so user gave a small a, so it will translate to so 101010, the same like as a binary code. The same vice versa. Computer give the so binary code and OS converts the binary code into the high level language, then give it to the user. So this is nothing but a OS, guys. Simple language. So simple meaning of the OS. What is the simple meaning of the OS? What is a OS, guys? Yeah, guys, tell me. What is OS? OS means mediator between user and computer, user and a computer. So OS act as a OS means it's mediator between user and computer. These are just a simple meaning, guys. Guys, understood? Thank you. Thank you so much. So we'll continue from the next session.